Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be installing a new wing. We are installing a JC wing. We're installing the curved one. This video is going to be sponsored today by JC Wing Mini. He's got a website, he has also an Instagram. On the website he has got front splitters, he has got wings, he has got interiors, bucket seats. He's got a lot of stuff guys, so please go and check him out, he's amazing. His Instagram is also full of all his customer stuff, so if a customer gets a wing, it will be on there. But guys, I really hope you enjoy this video. If you please like, subscribe and comment, it would mean a lot. What you see in a couple of seconds. So first thing I'm going to do is open up the boot and locate the 3 screws underneath the boot. So you've got one screw here, one screw here and one screw here. So let's crack and get these open. Just use a flat head screwdriver piece and that'll get those off no problem. Depends what car you've got, you might have 2, you might have 3. We've discovered with this car that this one's 3, this is a Mini Cooper R50, but the first line had 3, but the Sony ones might have 2. So to do it is it's just a standard 10 piece and just undo the 3 screws. So all you need to do now is close your boot and the spoiler will pop off. So that's your old spoiler there. That's your old spoiler. Now, clean up all of the residue, so use some baby wipes or some makeup wipes because that's got the best stuff, and just clean away and get rid of all the grime. So as you can see there's a middle hole, so I've already made this, it's just a little cap that you could put over the hole, so you can't really, you can see it, but until I get the vinyl piece, Until I get the vinyl piece, it will just stop stuff getting into the hole. So it's just a temporary job, it's not permanent. That's just now, just to cover it up because we don't have any stuff to put the hole in, so let's get the other spoiler. So there we go, that's basically done. Sadly, we'll have to go in for a repaint because let's just say we had a little bit of an incident last night. As you can see, we had a little bit of an incident. The piece flipped over. So yeah, but yeah, guys, that's the spoiler right there. But guys, if you enjoy, please like, subscribe and comment, it would mean a lot. If you could also please check out JC Wing Mini. His Instagram and website will be in the description below. But guys, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.